Lithuanian AB 3,000 euros net plus social security to embark 1416. If you are an AB of ROPAX, RORO type ships experience and you're sailing under cruise, under flag of convenience, under other flags that really not cover your pension and sanitary assistance, you have to pay around 350 euros, correct me if wrong, writing below, of the pension and sanitary assistance. 350 euros, if you get 3,000 euros net, is quite a big money. So here we have 3,000 euros proposal plus social security, also promotions available because this is a huge company of 22 ROROs and 55 ROPACs, total 77 units, let's say 10 ABs, so that's 770 ABs from Lithuania plus 40% at home, that's 1,300 approx. Urgently required. Now like and subscribe, apply. Also we have the possibility, if you are you have the license of officer, I want to promote here, after 2 contracts you can try to promote inside the company. But there is another huge competitive advantage, is that the Italian social security, and you can check for yourself, better invest in yourself, is unemployment. Under Italian legislation, every 2 years work you have 2 years unemployment. In Spain, I think it is half. 2 years, you get 1 year unemployment, maximum of 18 months. I think in Italy is also maximum of 2 years. I don't know in Lithuania, but if you are an emigrant, a seafarer sailing in the cruise and other type ships, you don't get that, right? But this is something that you must study because it's a huge competitive advantage. At the start, we're doing 4 months on, 2 off, and then you have to accrue 2 years. But you can investigate about this. Today is very easy with artificial intelligence, and so Candina is trying to inform to Italian ABs that you get this 3,000 euros plus social security. And thank you very much indeed for your time. I hope you like this video, and we prove the conditions. This is 150 pages collective bargaining agreement in Italian that you can also study by the labor unions in Italy. So thank you very much indeed for your time, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.